Today we are talking about a Ryobi cordless blower and string trimmer tool review. So here's what the string trimmer and blower look like. They are battery powered. They come with this battery charger.
Wow.
And they take the 18-volt lithium batteries. And I even bought 2 extra ones online on eBay, like a generic brand that fit this charger and fit the tools. So I have a total of 4 batteries. I highly recommend that. And again, they're 18 volt, 10-inch diameter on the trimmer. The trimmer head rotates to make it easier to do edging. 1.5 amp hour for the battery. And then the specs for the blower, you're looking at 90 miles per hour, 200 CFM. So I'll just do a quick, simple demonstration so you can hear them and see them work. This is not a paid promotion. I'm just going to go hang it back up. So I find they work well. They're lightweight, easy to use. So I think you get the idea. I hope this short video demonstration helps. It's a great tool. Again, this is not a paid promotion for them. Works well for me. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.